Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets. Today I'm here to do an unboxing, well, two unboxings, one of the Galaxy Watch and the Series 4 Space Gray Apple Watch. As you know, I did have to return my first Galaxy Watch, so this is my second attempt and hopefully it works well. Here is the box, same thing as before. I got the same color, I got the same Bluetooth GPS version, and I'm hoping that it charges and counts my steps properly. Here is the packaging or the box of the Series 4 Apple Watch. I got the 40mm version of it, also just the GPS version. Let's pull the pull tab off. Nice and easy, makes it very convenient to get to the device. So upon peeling off the plastic, we are just greeted with the white box, nice and clean. I don't remember these pull tabs from the Series 3 watch, so that's a little different. So I'll just go ahead and take the pull tabs off of each end. And then we will go ahead and, okay, so it's not really even a box, it's just a cover it goes over the box. And it looks like there's two boxes here. There's two boxes. I'm assuming that this holds the watch face, charging cradle, charging brick, probably extra additional instructions. So, and then we have the watch band box. I just got the black sport band version of this, so that's different. They come in two separate boxes. Pretty cool. So upon opening the box, we see a nice felt covering over the watch face, which is different. I do not remember that from the Series 3. And of course, it's the normal. This is probably instructions on how to set up the watch. So we'll just slide this out, and I was right. Just the instructions if you need it. The charging brick, and it looks like exactly the same as the Series 3. Okay. Next, we have the charging cable, and this is what you place the watch on to charge it. Let's see, it's another nice pull tab. Let's get this out of here. And this is just a USB that you plug into the wall. This is where you place the watch on so it can charge. And like I said, USB. Then let's get to the watch face itself. Nice felt covering. That's a nice touch. And you see it says 40mm on the felt covering. So we'll go ahead and slide this out and make sure not to drop the watch face. And I accidentally already turned it on, but that's cool because we're gonna quickly set it up. So I'll place that nicely down. Let's go ahead and open the sport band box. Thin box, slide it out, and just the Apple Watch branding. So this is just kind of gives you instructions on how to put the watch band on the face of the watch. So here's the large band, and on the bottom is the smaller band. I'll be using this one. So let's go ahead and take out the one strap. Not so difficult to get out. A little bit of plastic to tear off. Very easy. Like I said, I think Apple has the easiest unboxing materials ever. So these are the two smart bands that I'm going to be using. And as you see, the Series 3, the back, they are a little different, all covered by glass on the Series 4. So we'll go ahead and put the one part of the smart band, just slide that in. And I do also have to say I like the ease of changing the bands of an Apple Watch compared to, let's just say, like my Galaxy Watch. It's just so much easier just to slide it in and you're good to go. As long as you hear that click, you're good to go. Okay, so I got the smart band. I got the bands on that. Let's go ahead and open up this Galaxy Watch. You've already seen this before, but I'm gonna do it again for you once I can get this yeah, okay, here we go. All right, so it's still beautiful, just like the first time I met it. And like I said, I got the rose gold one. And let's just go ahead and pull the watch out. Pretty easy. Like I said, the band is nice and soft. It is actually a very comfortable band, but I tend to always switch out my bands on my watches. So let's pull this off, and what we'll find under here will be, let's see, on the, what side do I want to do? Let's just do the left side first. And it is the charging cable. Then next we have the Samsung charging cradle. And this thing gave me trouble last time, so we'll see if it works later on. I'll have a video of it charging. So this is the quick guide manual. Here is the extra strap, and if I remember correctly from last time, this is the large strap. Here we go. And lastly, the charging brick. Looks just like the last one. Okay, so now that we have the phones and the watches next to each other, I'm gonna go ahead and power on the Samsung watch, Galaxy Watch. And as you saw before, I already accidentally turned on the Apple Watch when trying to take it out of the sleeve. So here they are together. They're both beautiful devices, especially when they work correctly. And so it's just saying to go ahead and download the app, but I already had it from before, so I'm just gonna select the Galaxy Watch app once I do, and then here on the iPhone it's just the Watch app. Easy peasy. Okay, so let's turn on the we'll go ahead and try to tap both of them. So, and it's not a race because I already had the Galaxy Watch on the Note 9, and I did not have any watch on this new iPhone. So as you see, pairing underway. And for the Apple Watch, they just make it simple. You just go ahead, and once you get the watch on, take a picture of it. But let's go ahead, since this is buzzing, and say that they both, the passkey, they both match. So I'll say okay, and the check mark on the watch. And then as far as this, just go ahead and place the picture within the screen, and that's how you do the setup of the Apple Watch. That's easy. So that will go ahead and do its thing for a little. And you see, they both kind of have the same little picture on them. So we'll set that down and let that do that. And here is all the terms and conditions in order to use your Galaxy Watch. So we'll have to agree to all. And then we will scroll down so we can go to next. Then as you see, it's just going to restore what I had before, and that's cool. And then for the Apple Watch, what are we doing? I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Apple Watch. I'll use my right hand. The crown will be on the right. On the right, okay. And here is all of the important information Apple wants you to kind of read through. I will enable the route tracking. Let's see, I'll just say okay. And I will say okay. Okay. I don't want a passcode, so I'll just say don't add a passcode. If I can press the thing. Don't. Okay, cool. Got it. So this is all the heart health, and that's pretty cool. I'll continue. The emergency SOS, continue. Install all, will do. Okay. And we'll go ahead and again let the Apple Watch let it do what it do. And the Samsung Watch is pretty much going through a small little tutorial, which we've already seen from my first unboxing. Apple Watch Basics. So I'll just have to hit OK on the phone. Here is how the Galaxy Watch looks on my wrist. I kind of got some slack for not putting it on my first video, so there you have it. And your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So that feels very nice. You feel like a little haptic feedback when you turn the crown. I like that. Nice touch. And then it says welcome to the Apple Watch app. So I'll just say okay. And then you have your watch faces and complications, notifications, and everything that you want to do to set up your watch. So I'll set that as the current watch face. That's a nice little animation as the watch face comes to the watch. And here is the Apple Watch on my wrist. Feels nice. Not too big for me. And the screen looks amazing on the Apple Watch. Now here are both of the cousins on my wrist, and they both feel amazing. And let's see, almost there. I guess I have to finish with the Galaxy Watch. Okay, and that is it. So the Galaxy Watch is pretty much good to go as well. So that is the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch and the Apple Watch. I hope you enjoy the unboxing, and I will let you know how the pedometer works on the Galaxy Watch and if I'm experiencing any of the same issues as before. Until next time, peace.